With the Nifal imperfect, on the other hand, the addition of the nun prefix is hidden by the further addition of the imperfects prefix. So if, using katal as our typical paradigm, the Nifal has the presence of a nun, the imperfect adds, say in the third masculine singular, a yod before that nun. The hypothetical form of the imperfect then would be yin ka tail in the case of the Nifal. But because this nun closes a syllable and has a silent schwa, the assimilation of nun takes place, and the nun disappears, leaving a dagesh to double the following letter. Nifal imperfect forms then typically will show a characteristic doubling of the first root letter of the verb. The Nifal imperfect paradigm then is as follows: yikatel, tikatel, tikatel, tikateli, ekatel. And then in the plural, yikatalu, tikatalna, tikatalu, tikatalna, nikatel. There are three typical tip-offs for a Nifal imperfect. First, the vowel under the prefix is typically a hirek. Secondly, the first root letter's vowel is typically a kametz. And third, that first root letter has a dagesh forte that doubles it. Again, you do not need to memorize this paradigm, but given these tip-offs, you ought to be able to parse any Nifal imperfects and identify the root letters.